Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drones with a focus on the rumored specs of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This drone is packed with advanced features that are sure to impress enthusiasts and professionals alike. From a powerful camera to extended flight time, there's a lot to explore. So, let's get started and see what makes the DJI Mavic 4 Pro stand out in the world of aerial photography and videography. Let's start with the camera specs. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to come with a stunning 100MP M43 CMOS sensor. This high-resolution sensor is paired with a 28mm lens, offering incredible image quality and detail that will captivate any photography enthusiast. When it comes to video, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro does not disappoint. It can shoot in 6K at 60 frames per second, ensuring crystal-clear video with rich detail. Additionally, it supports HDR video, enhancing the dynamic range for more vibrant colors and better contrast. For those who love slow motion, the drone also offers 4K recording at 120 frames per second, capturing every moment in exquisite detail. Moving on to the additional specifications. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro boasts an impressive 400 megabits per second bit rate, which ensures high-quality video recordings with less compression. It also features 14 stops of dynamic range, which allows for capturing more details in both the highlights and shadows of your footage. Additionally, the drone is equipped with dual native ISO settings of 400 and 1600, making it versatile in different lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is its battery life. The drone is powered by a 95.3 Wh battery, which provides an extended flight time of up to 52 minutes. This means more time in the air to capture those perfect shots and less time worrying about recharging. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro includes a stepless electronic ND filter, ranging from ND4 to ND64. This feature allows for smooth adjustments and greater control over exposure settings, enhancing your ability to capture stunning visuals even in bright conditions. When it comes to signal and range, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is equipped with the O4 Plus transmission system. This allows for an impressive range of up to 40 kilometers, or approximately 25 miles, ensuring reliable communication between the drone and the remote controller even over long distances. The drone comes with a powerful 240W charger, making recharging the battery quick and efficient. In terms of weight, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is relatively light, weighing in at 1045 grams. This makes it easy to handle and transport, without compromising on performance or durability. To wrap up, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is packed with impressive features that set it apart in the world of drones. From its high-resolution camera and advanced video capabilities to its extended battery life and long-range transmission, this drone has it all. Let us know what you think about these rumored specs in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates and reviews on the latest